Osmosis is the spontaneous, passive movement of water molecules through a semi-permeable membrane from a region of higher water concentration, dilute solution, to a region of lower water concentration, concentrated solution. It requires no energy and continues until solute concentrations are balanced on both sides. Key aspects of osmosis. 1. Passive process. Osmosis does not require energy input. 2. Semi-permeable membrane. It acts as a barrier that allows solvent molecules, water, to pass through but blocks larger solute molecules, like salt or sugar. 3. Direction of water. Water moves toward the area with higher solute concentration, lower water concentration. And 4. Purpose. It functions to balance solute concentrations, or achieve equilibrium, on both sides of the membrane. Examples in biological systems. 1. Root hair cells. Plants use osmosis to absorb water from the soil, as the root cells have a higher solute concentration than the soil. 2. Red blood cells. If placed in pure water, water rushes into the cells, hypertonic solution, causing them to swell and potentially burst. And 3. Animal cells in salt water. Cells placed in a highly concentrated solution, hypertonic solution, will lose water and shrivel. Key differences from diffusion. While diffusion is the movement of particles from high to low concentration, osmosis specifically refers to the diffusion of water, or another solvent, across a selective barrier.